Good morning everyone. Welcome to your EVS recorded class, and in this class we will cover the chapter 13, and the name of the chapter is what? Name of the chapter is Travel and Communication. What does travel means? Travel means to go from one place to another, and communication means to communicate. Suppose you are in Delhi and I am here in Asansol. So how can I convey my feelings or my words to you? This is called communication. Okay, so with the help of mobile phone, with the help of email, telephone, then many things, letters, I can communicate with you. So you see, it is written word, Papa, what is this? What is that moving on the rope between two mountains? You see, the girl is asking to his parents or to his father that what is that? So his father is saying this is a cable car. So his father is saying what? It is nothing but a cable car, and it is a special vehicle. It is what? It is a special vehicle used as a means of transport. So his father is saying what? His father is saying it's nothing but a cable car which is used as a means of transport. So now you can ask me, ma'am, what is means of transport? So we use different vehicles to travel by road, rail, air and water. Yes, so we use different vehicles to travel by road, rail, air and water. So we use which type of vehicles? Like to travel by road, rail, air and water. These are called means of transport. So now we will discuss what are road transport, rail transport, air transport and water transport, right? So road transport, we use road transport like motor vehicles, cycle rickshaw to travel by road. So on road we used to use what? Motorbike, car, cycle, truck, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, bus. Okay. Motor vehicles have engines that use petrol or diesel. So motor vehicles have what? These all vehicles have engines that use petrol or diesel. Okay. Now rail transport. Trains move on rails. Trains move on which? Trains move on rails. A train has an engine and many coaches. You see, this is an engine part and these are the coaches. So its engine runs on electricity. You see, these are electric poles, and a train moves on or runs on electricity. And some other things are also there. Electricity, coal or diesel. It may be electricity. I am repeating once more that trains move on rails. A train has an engine and many coaches. Its engine runs on electricity. Either it runs on electricity, coal or diesel. Passenger trains carry people. See, this is not a passenger train. This is a goods train. Okay. So this type of goods train carries like coal. They carry many things. But passenger trains carries people from one place to another. Okay. Now water transport. We learn about road transport, and what we learn that some vehicles are there which run on road like bus, car, motorbike, cycle, rickshaw. Now we will learn about water transport. So in the name within it is written the way or the path. Water transport. We use water transport to cross sea, ocean, lake, canal or river. So we use water transport to cross what? Underline this. To cross sea, ocean, lake, canal or river. Cargo ship. It's very important thing, children. Just remember that cargo ships carry heavy loads. Ships, steamer, boat and sailboat are means of transport. So you see, steamer, boat, sailboat are the means of water transport. This is a sailboat and this is a ship. Now your fun fact is that submarines are used by soldiers to travel underwater, not above water. You can't see from above. Submarines actually used by the soldier, okay, to travel underwater. Now the next one, but very interesting one. Okay, let me tell you one thing, that road transports are the cheapest means of transport. Road transports are the cheapest means of transport. Air transport now. So air transport is the fastest means of transport. Air transport is fastest means of transport. We use aeroplanes, helicopters to travel by air. So we use what to travel by air? We use aeroplanes and helicopters. They are the fastest means of transport. Just now I told you that the fastest means of transport is air transport. We can reach far off countries in few hours in them. They also carry goods. Yes, they as well as they carry people and goods as well, right? Next one, special vehicle. You know what, children? There are some special vehicles. Here are some special vehicles for special purposes. Like the first one, a fire engine. A fire engine carries equipment and firefighters to put out fires. As in the previous chapter I taught you that a firefighter has fire engine, ladder, hosepipe, water. So this is a fire engine, right? Now the ambulance. An ambulance takes sick or injured people to a hospital. So an ambulance takes sick people and injured people to a hospital. Next, cable car. A cable car is pulled by a moving metal rope. You see, this is a metal rope and it carries passenger up and down a mountain. A hot air balloon, this one. A hot air balloon is a large balloon filled with hot air that rises in the air. It has a basket. You can see that a basket is there to carry passengers. It is used for fun but not for transport. Now children, you need to know some special numbers. What are the numbers? Actually these numbers are for special emergencies. Like police, you can dial if you are in problem, if you need a help of a policeman, you can easily dial 100, means 100. If any place you see that fire is just breaking down, so you can call 101, and for ambulance you can dial 102. So we learned so far about travel and the means of transport, but now this time we will learn about means of communication. So what does communication means? We speak, write and use signs and sound to share our ideas and information with each other. This is called like means of communication. Means by which we communicate with each other, right? So how do we communicate? Like I am just teaching you, I am saying some words and you are just getting the words, you are understanding the words, and next time what you will do, you will just apply the things, right? So this is another kind of means of communication, right? Like in a fun fact we can see that a traffic policeman uses his whistle. Yes, this is the whistle, and different signs to manage traffic. Yes, he uses different signs like this, stop, this type of signs he used to use. Now we also communicate through message. Yes children, we also communicate with message. A message may be written or spoken. Yes, it may be written like in letter writing or in spoken, like verbally, whatever I am saying, like do this sum, do that one, clean the room. Okay, this is also a kind of message, spoken message. And what is written message? Suppose I am writing a letter to my friend, that my birthday is coming, please come soon. This is also a written message, right? We can send written message through a letter. Yes, we can send message through a letter. Urgent written messages can be sent through fax and email. We can use fax and email to send urgent message, like anybody is sick, so his or her spouses needs to come fast. So what they will write? Come fast, mother ill. Come fast, father sick. And through that mail or fax, the person to whom I am sending, he will get within no time and he will come soon. Right? Now the next one. We can talk and listen to a person over telephone. See, this girl is talking over phone, no? It is the quickest means of transport. Yes. Sorry, it is the quickest means of communication. Yes, when I need to say something, suppose I want to say Sumanto, this answer is wrong. So what I will do? Either I will send message or I will call him and I will say that, see, this question number 3, this answer is wrong, just correct it. So this is the quickest means of communication. We use a landline phone. This is a landline phone, and mobile phone you have already seen. Everyone is having that. So there are two types of phone. One is landline phone and other is mobile phone. To communicate, we can even send written message through mobile phone. Yes, in WhatsApp, normal text message, we can write our message. Yes, through mobile. A telephone in which we have to put coins before using is called payphone. Yes, we will put a coin, then we will dial the number. Okay, now it's exercise time. For exercise, I have jotted down some questions for you all. Yes, travel and communication. Answer the following questions. Why do we need means of transport? The answer is, we need means of transport to travel from one place to another. So, why do we need means of transport? It's very easy. We need means of transport to travel from one place to another. How are aeroplanes and helicopters useful to us? Yes, to travel by air, we use aeroplanes and helicopters. These are the fastest means of transport. Yes, two questions are there, like if anybody asks you that which is the fastest means of transport, you can easily say air transport, like helicopters and aeroplanes. How can we travel across a sea or an ocean? So the answer is, with the help of water transport, we can travel across the sea and ocean. If example is needed, you can give example like steamer, like a boat, sailboat. Okay. Name two different kinds of telephone we use. So two different kinds of telephone we use are telephone number actually. Two different kinds of telephone number is let me see the question first. Wait a bit, just wait a bit. Yes. The question is, name two different kinds of telephones that we use. So here the answer will be landline and mobile phone. And what are the special number? For special number is, for police it is 100, for fire it is 101. So two different kinds of telephones are landline phone and mobile phone. Two different types of telephones are landline phone and mobile phone, and two different special phone numbers are, for police it is 100, for fire it is 101. I hope it is clear. Now one chart is there. So means of communication: telephone, signs and sound, because early people used to do that, make sound, sign, some drawings they also used. Speak, write, mobile phone, email. So this is a flow chart. I can show you in the book as well. Yes, you see, telephone, signs and sound, speak, write, mobile and email. Okay, now match the following. Here match the following is also exercise. In exercise part, you are having match the following. Fire engine carries firefighters. Ambulance carries sick people. Cable car moves on a metal rope. Hot air balloon has a basket. Fire engine carries firefighters. Cable car moves on a metal rope. Hot air balloon has a basket. Now fill in the blanks. We speak, write and use signs and sound to share ideas. So we speak, write and use signs and sounds to share ideas. Urgent messages can be sent through fax and email. So urgent messages can be sent through fax and email. Cargo ships carry heavy loads. Cargo ships carry heavy loads. Motor vehicles have engines that use petrol and diesel. Motor vehicles have engine that use petrol and diesel. The engine of a train runs on electricity, coal or diesel. The engine of a train runs on coal or electricity, coal or diesel. Now for revise, I have jotted down some questions for you. Name two vehicles that have engine and two vehicles that have not. So engines, they have engines, right? So trains and motorbike. Cycle and rickshaw, they don't have engine, right? Cycle and rickshaw. Unscramble the letter to find the names of the places of our neighborhood. KNAB. I just unscramble it, so it comes as BANK. SHCOLO. So SCHOOL school. HOPSITLA. HOSPITAL. MKARTE. MARKET. Market. Name two of each. National festival 15th August, 2nd October. Religious festival Durga Puja, Diwali. Harvest festival Bihu, Onam. Right? Now sell vegetable. Who sells vegetable, children? Yes, that's very nice. Greengrocer. Repairs taps and pipes is plumber. Cuts hair, barber. Helps build houses, mason. Makes pots, potter. Carry others people's bag, it is porter. Right? On 26th January, 15th August, we take part in sports event. We thank our teachers on Teachers Day. On Independence Day, Republic Day, we present music and dance performance in school. Our good manners show that we actually courteous for others. This was for the day, children. I hope you have understood something. And just make sure to learn all the question and answers too, so that in your coming exam you can give your answer flawlessly. And these questions I have for festivals, I have written some questions. We will discuss this in our online class. Till then, you take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.